Alright, here's the girl's big present from Mommy and Daddy. Let's see, I'll go this way. Just go ahead and tear into it when I sit down, okay?
Okay, together.
Okay, we're all sit together.
Oh, no, stop staying right there.
What is that?
It's a puppy!
His name is Bentley.
I see Bentley! I see Bentley! I see Bentley!
What do you think?
He looks excited!
It's our own puppy.
You get to keep it. Be careful with him.
That's why Daddy was down in the basement. He had to sleep down there with our new little pet, Bentley.
Take turns, okay?
Where's Matt? I don't want to see him.
Hey, look up at me.